Hello, my name is Julius Steyn. I am the CEO of H2O Securities. We are a London-based company. We are raising $600,000 in this particular round for a company which we believe will have a turnover of $700 million or more within the next 4 to 5 years. My personal background in private equity spans more than 28 years, and I've been involved in the water sector for more than 7 years. Water scarcity is a major global concern. Right now, 30% of the world lives in water scarce conditions, and that is set to grow to about 50% by 2030. Many of us believe it is only climate change that contributes to this. But funding, or appropriate funding, is one of the major contributors to water scarce conditions worldwide. Today, that funding gap stands at a staggering $200 billion and growing, or set to grow, to about $1.2 trillion by 2050. That is according to the World Bank reports, OECD reports, and others. Obviously, as global citizens, we have a responsibility to help address this issue if we have the expertise to do so. Many of the traditional finance that is available to water services providers do not have the scalability or the expertise to deal with the problem at hand. There is therefore both a moral and a profit motive to help address this problem as soon as practically possible. H2O Securities is an innovative, data-driven fintech platform. It uniquely combines traditional finance with blockchain, tokenomics, and complex risk management models to help address the more than $200 billion global funding gap for water infrastructure projects. Our technology platform has the means to risk assess water projects very quickly. Once a project passes that risk assessment, we wrap it in a long-term lease, which we credit enhance and risk enhance through our underwriters, and then we sell that lease to a credit line provider at a net present value margin. If we repeat this cash flow cycle often enough, we will generate enough cash to maintain some of those leases on our own balance sheet. This will make us even more profitable in the future. As part of a value add to our credit line providers, we also manage the lease during the life cycle of the lease. That means, based on our research and databases that we have acquired that consist of more than 57,000 water plants, and more than 5,000 original equipment manufacturers worldwide, we have narrowed down the $200 billion total addressable market to a very narrow segment that is valued at roughly $55 billion annually. This very narrow market segment consists of both public and private sector clients. It does not consist of mega projects or micro projects. They're also not situated in high-risk geographic regions. We are very sensitive to our overall risk rating from the underwriters. We are raising $600,000 through an interest-bearing convertible note. This note forms part of our fully priced and audited Series A round during 2024. This note has got two options. One, you can redeem the note and interest pre-Series A round, or B, you can convert the note and interest into shares during Series A at a 25% discount. We also offer an additional right on this note that should you choose to acquire additional shares during Series A, that those shares will be at a 10% discount if you participate now. Our minimum ticket size for this investment round is $50,000. Thank you for watching this video. We look forward to answer any additional questions that you may have regarding this investment opportunity. Thank you.